Yesterday I did a great job working on this character's version of Thomas the Tank Engine for my edits. I'm gonna move on to James, because he's next. What I do know is about this guy, because James has a number 5 on his tender. In the Railway series, he doesn't have it in the books called James and the Express. Before I get started, I added his side rods yellow. And then, I cover his number 5 up with a different shade of red. And then I gave his face a little bit smaller for his smokebox door, because one of the real locomotives have smokebox doors with no faces. So I add some blue stripes on it for his body, like in the Railway series of books, what he looks like. And then I put some bolts for his side rods, with a different shade of yellow. So I add some letters called the NWR, known as the Northwestern Railway, but then I add the lamp and his footplate. So if you guys like to see my edits, which character I should do next, let me know in the comments saying which character I should do next.